In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to make sure FaceTime is properly activated using your Apple ID so you can start making video and audio calls. So first, before anything else, you want to make sure you already have a working Apple ID and that you're signed in. This is important because FaceTime won't activate without it. If you don't have an Apple ID yet, you can create one directly from the sign-in screen, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Now I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it right away, just swipe across your home screen until you find it, then tap it to open. Okay, now Settings is open and we need to go into Apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see Apps. I'm moving steadily so it's easy to follow along. Alright, I see Apps, so I'm tapping on it. Now we're on the Apps screen and I'm going to look for FaceTime. So I'm scrolling through the list carefully until I find it. Once I see FaceTime, I'm tapping on it. Alright, now we're inside the FaceTime settings page. This is where you control whether FaceTime is turned on or off, along with account settings and call preferences. So at this point I'm scrolling down until I see the main FaceTime toggle. It should say FaceTime and next to it is a switch. I'm turning that toggle on now. Once it's enabled, your iPhone will start activating FaceTime in the background using your Apple ID. I like to pause here because activation can sometimes take a few seconds. You might see a waiting for activation message, and that's completely normal. Just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and give it a moment to finish syncing with Apple's servers. Now once it's active, FaceTime will be ready to use. You can make video calls, audio calls, and even receive calls from other Apple users. If you ever see it not working right away, it's usually just a matter of waiting a bit or restarting your phone to complete the activation process. And that's it. You made sure your Apple ID is ready, went into settings, opened apps, selected FaceTime and turned it on. Once activated, your iPhone is now fully set up to use FaceTime for calling anytime you need it.